Hello everyone, so this is me, Fiang Heartstrong once again, and welcome back to my channel. So today is a very special day and a very special trip. It's another travel vlog for you mga kabar. We are actually bound to Iloilo City.
Ready for inspection.
We're actually hinahanap po namin yung gate number 3 daw. Alright, so kaya ko po sinasabing very special trip kasi tomorrow is my birthday. Today is August 29, around 2 p.m. na po. So last time po, I had my birthday in Camotes Island. So this time, I decided to go to Iloilo City. Are you excited? So,
pero 1 hour akong to.
yes guys, so galing pa kami ng work kanina. And siya, night shift siya kanina. At ako naman, day shift. Nag-half day lang ako para diretso na kami ng airport. I hope na maganda yung experience namin for my birthday tomorrow. So, we're here na sa loob ng aircraft. Are you excited? See you soon in a few minutes. Hello.
Cebu Pacific, welcome to Iloilo. Hello everyone, we have just landed at Iloilo International Airport.
Alright guys, so it's time check. It's 3:33 in the afternoon. And we just landed here in Iloilo International Airport. So we're deplaning. Thank you! Guys, so nasa labas na po kami ng Iloilo International Airport and hinahanap na po namin yung airport transfer namin papuntang Mega World Condominium. Ayan. Ayan. Maling na po yung car namin. Hello, kuya. Ay, ito pala yung sister ano? LJ ba? Oo. Walang ano, hindi nakakaintindi mga ano dito ng Bisaya, no?
Maintindihan namin konti.
Pero hindi kayo nakaka-Bisaya. Tagalog lang.
Tagalog ko. Iligay na lang yung salita namin.
Iligay nun. Guys, so nakarating na kami sa hotel namin dito sa One Madison Place, Mega World. Guys, so we're here in front of our condotel. Meron pala dito ano, no? Anong tawag dito, love? Anong tawag dito?
Festival.
Festival?
Festival.
Festival. Ayan guys. Hanggang dulo yan dito. Tapos parang siyang IT park sa Cebu City. Meron siyang mga restaurants and, you know, food halls. Nandun yung pick-off coffee. Yun yung siyang concept. Ayan guys, so meron palang mga food hall dito.
Ano siya? Compound.
Wow! Ah. Magkano ate?
100 na.
100?
Duwa na siya class.
Buffet? Charot. Joke lang. So, pwede akong pumili. Okay. Wow, guys. Look at this one. Okay. Wow. Tsaka dito, meron din dito. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Okay, so let's try this one. Sabi ni ate, ano daw, 100. Pwede akong pumili ng dalawa from this variety of food. Ito?
Yes.
Tapos yung pair.
Pizza, pepperoni, beef and mushroom, sausage.
Ay, hindi ako masyadong ma-beef. So, ano to?
Hawaiian.
Ay, ito na lang.
Anong pasta? Yung pasta niya?
Wala silang masarap. Wait lang.
Parang kinikita yung macaroni salad.
Macaroni salad.
Yung lasa.
Ayan.
For dining like
Parang good for dinner na to. Parang nakakaano na siya. Nakakabusog. Ano masarap nito?
Tapos,
Thank you. Thank you.
not bad.
Hanapin namin yung 7M. LM. Ito siya. Ayan guys. Ito yung konto namin. So hello everyone. Naka-check-in po kami dito sa One Madison Place Mega World Condominium in Iloilo City. And pag may travel, may room tour. So let's go. So I booked this one through booking.com and I booked this for around 4,300 for 4 days, 3 nights. Ayan. And wala pong breakfast. So ayan guys, papasok mo dito. Meron silang lutuan. Ayan. Meron silang, syempre, washing area underneath na cabinets. May mga utensils. Ayan. May heater, may rice cooker. Tapos dito, may, ang tawag dito? Ewan ko na to. Ayan. May oil, soy sauce. May mga plates. Tapos, may oven. May refrigerator. Huwag na natin buksan yan. Ayan. May glasses. Ayan. Tapos, may dining table. Ito yung favorite ko. Meron siyang mirror. I needed that talaga siya. And then we have electric fan. We have our own Wi-Fi. Okay. TV. Inverter window type aircon. We have here a queen size bed. Ayan. Tapos dito, may isang couch. 2-seater couch. Tapos, meron ditong cabinet. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung restroom nila. Ayan. Tapos, meron silang shower area dito. 2 towels. Wala silang ano guys, wala silang complimentary na sabon, shampoo, conditioner. Buti na lang nakadala kami ng our own toiletries. Shampoo, soap, conditioner. Tapos dito, side table. Ayan. Tapos, ayan. Ayan. Meron silang swimming pool dito at saka dun sa kabila. Ayan. Try natin if makaka-night swimming tayo mamaya. Mag-night swimming tayo mamaya lang. Ayan. Pwede siyang buksan. Ayan. Ayan guys, makikita mo yung buong 100 place. Charot. So yan guys, that's our room tour for today. This is our day 1 here in Iloilo City. And I want you guys to stay tuned and samahan niyo po ako sa entire trip ko dito sa Iloilo City. Don't forget to subscribe po and click the bell icon po for more videos. Ingat! Until tomorrow.
The next day.
Good morning everyone. So it's already past 7 o'clock in the morning here in Iloilo City. And the sunshine in the morning is really giving. It's our second day here in the City of Love, Iloilo City. And today's itinerary is, it's gonna be an Iloilo City tour from 8 a.m. until in the afternoon. So it's gonna be a fun day because it's my birthday. So see you guys later. Nasa loob na po kami ng car ni Kuya LJ. Siya yung namin, exclusive tour guide dito sa Iloilo City. And we're heading to somewhere na makapag-breakfast muna kami para may energy po for the rest of the day. Alright, so nandito kami sa Balay Bisaya, Bachoy, Pares, Silog. Dito kami magbe-breakfast for today. Ayan, pasok tayo guys. Morning. Hi po sa aking vlog. Hello. Good morning po.
Hello po sa mga viewers ng Piang Heartstrong Vlogs. If ever makapunta kayo ng Iloilo, please come visit our place, Balay Bisaya.
Thank you po. Ayan. So, andito po kami sa sa may puno. Ano pangalan nito kuya?
Yung Vanishing Mansion.
Vanishing Mansion daw.
Oh no, sometimes you see a tree, sometimes a mansion.
Okay. Kaya daw, Vanishing Mansion siya guys. Kasi sometimes, meron kang makikitang kahoy, sometimes wala. May nakikita ba ako? Charot. So, kailan siya magva-vanish?
Kung may mga third eye ka.
Okay. Guys, so this is our 4th destination sa city tour namin, ang Garing Farm. So check namin kung ano yung mga activities dito. The entrance fee is 150 per person. So may golf cart ride sila dito. It's for 60 pesos per person. Okay guys, so yung 60 pesos pala is per cart. Mas mura siya. So we're here na in Garin Farm Pilgrimage. So unfortunately, wala na pong zip line, no? Close na daw po yung zip line. Ayan. So hindi tayo makakapag zip line for today's video. Ayan. Hanapin mo yung saan yung totoong bear. Ayun. Ito yung totoong bear. So yun guys, so we decided to ride a golf cart na lang paakyat kasi I can't take it na 400 plus steps po pataas. So ito yung parang restaurant dito sa Garin Farm. Wala masyadong tao. kami sa Nana's Chicken and Seafood Restaurant. Kakain lang ng lunch. And guys, dumating na yung order.
Thank you for waiting. Ito po yung portion lang. Enjoy your meal po, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, mga sir.
Happy birthday po. Happy birthday.
Alright. Thank you po. Napakabait po ni Sir LJ, guys. Kung gusto nyo na mag-book po ng comfortable city tour dito sa Iloilo at saka Gigantes kay Sir Guimaras and Bacolod kay Sir LJ na may driver ka pa, may photographer ka pa, di ba? And guys, so ito yung total bill namin, guys. 3 paa, 1 pork sinigang, at 2 calamansi juice. So, total of 654 pesos. Ayan. Mura siya dito, guys. And if you go here sa Iloilo City, drop by po dito for your lunch at Chicken, Inasal, and Seafood Restaurant. Ayan, guys. Andito kami sa Molo Mansion dito sa Iloilo City. So, may mga ano pala sila, guys. May mga tinda-tinda dito. So, wala pong entrance dito, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan.
So, let's go sa bahay?
Saan yung bahay? Tagay tayo dito?
Ano po sir kung may tao ba sa ano?
Andyan yaya mo?
Hindi ko alam. Nag-lunch na ba kayo? Kasi magpapaluto ako. Anyway,
Hello.
I will.
Yes. Sa loob pala ng mansion, andito yung mga souvenir.
Yes po, kultura po.
Kultura.
Yes,
okay. So, matry me diri, guys, sa Kuro Kape. Igsuon ni Kurapi ka. Ayan. Alright guys, so we're here in our next destination, the city of Garden of Love. forget to subscribe po and click the bell icon po for notification. Guys, so last na po yung destination namin sa Iloilo signage. And then pagkatapos, diretso na kami pauwi sa hotel. We're now here in the famous Iloilo City signage. Ayan. Ayan guys. Guys, so if nagtatanong po kayo kung saan po ako na book ng city tour at saka sa Gigante store, ilalagay ko po siya sa screen dito sa taas para makontak nyo siya at makapag-book kayo whenever you go to Iloilo City. So, his name po is LJ. Ilalagay ko po sa description box ang Facebook niya para makontak nyo po siya. Ayan guys, so it's 4:40 PM po. August 30, 2024 at nakabalik na po kami dito sa One Madison Place and Mega World Condominium. Tapos na po yung Iloilo City tour namin and it was a long, fun city tour. It was a fun day and thank you so much po for tuning in at sinabayan niyo po ako sa city tour namin dito sa Iloilo and it was really amazing. Iloilo is very amazing po. And tomorrow po, Mag-Gigante tour po kami and I hope to see you guys again tomorrow on our day 3 in the City of Love. Bye!